Hello students, once again welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are fine. So we are back again with a new video, and in this video we are going to discuss practical number 22 for class 12 computer science with Python practical file, and today's practical is based on interface Python with MySQL, in which we have to write a program to search for a particular record, and if that record is not found, an appropriate message should be displayed. So in order to do this program, we will write the coding in Python ideally, and the changes will be reflected or will be taken from the MySQL database software. So let us understand how to perform this practical. For this, we are going to Python ideally, and we are going to the program that is the previous program in which we have imported mysql.connector module with the alias name m. Then we have created the connection object using the connect function, in which we have passed the four parameters: user, host, password, and database. Our database is school1, and in that database school1 we have a table named as student. So we will go to MySQL for this purpose and check the particular database and the contents of the table. After entering the password here, we are going to use the particular database, that is school1, and we'll say select star from student, because this table we have already created in the previous program. So we are having four columns with the three records: roll number 1, 2 and 3, their name, class and section. Now we need to search for a particular record. So first we have created the cursor instance using the cursor function. Now we are going to execute the query using the execute function. So in order to search for a particular record and to display that record, we have the select statement. So we will say select star from, name of the table is student, and here we have to specify any condition. Suppose we say roll number, any roll number we can take from the user, and that we are going to give in the curly braces like this. After that we are using the format function, and suppose if we want to take the roll number from the user, then we have to specify it like this. So here we will just take the roll number from the user, int input, enter the roll number to search the record like this. Okay, so this we are going to do, and this way our particular roll number will come. That particular roll number's record will come, and this is a new method to search, and you can also use the old method in which the percentage s is there in place of the curly braces. So this we have taken. Now we'll take a variable, and in this we have used the cursor instance with the fetch1 function, because one record will be taken in this one and that will be stored in the variable a. Suppose if the particular roll number doesn't exist in that particular table, so a will have the value none. So if a equals to none, in that case what will happen? We have to say print the record doesn't exist. The record doesn't exist. Otherwise we know that the record exists and that will be stored again in a. So we'll say else print the record is a, right? So this is how we have to do this program. Now let us run and check it. Run किया हमने इसको. It says enter the roll number to search the record. Suppose we enter the roll number 2. So roll number 2 has the name Rishi, class 11 and section R2. You can see here 2 Rishi, 11 and R2. Now suppose we enter some other roll number, like in this table we are having the roll number 1, 2 and 3. No other roll number data is there. So we will again run it, and suppose here we provide roll number 7. So it says the record doesn't exist. So this is how we have to do this program. Okay, and this is how the output will come. So for taking its screenshot, we will press Windows Shift and S shortcut key and take the screenshot of the whole coding of this program. Go to the MS Word where this practical program is there, and we are going to paste the coding. And below this we will take its output. Both outputs we have to take in which the record is present, and the second one in which the record is not present. So here we will give the heading as output, and below this we are going to take the screenshot. We'll go to the screenshot, we'll go to the screen where the output is there. Windows Shift and S we are going to press, and we'll take the screenshot of this much part where the particular output has come. So like this, we'll take this one and go to our MS Word file and paste the screenshot here. We can adjust the particular screenshot, that is the image, as per our requirement, so that it covers our full page and there is a proper gap also in the coding as well as the output. Okay, so this is how we have done this. I hope students the practical number 22 is clear to all of you. In case still any doubt is there, please tell me in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, you can share it with your other friends also, so that they can also be helped in making the practical file. And I'll meet you in my next video with the practical number 23. Till then, have a good day and thank you.